Here we go.
It's the place fun never ends. Take your pick and click. Ned and Friends.
Welcome to Ned Shorts!
Hey friends, I'm Matt. I'm here with my buddy Ned, and we're here to talk to you about a new video series we're calling Overcoming Your Fears. Before we begin, Ned, how about you say hi to everyone? Ned? What's that? I get it, buddy. Ned actually just informed me that he's a little bit camera shy. That actually leads us into our first topic, public speaking. Whether it's doing the school play, talking in front of your class, or, in Ned's case, talking to a bunch of new friends on the internet, public speaking can be pretty nerve-wracking. I used to have stage fright. I used to be afraid of public speaking. And now I travel the world talking in front of tons and tons of people almost every single day. So, if I can get over my fear of public speaking, I know you can too. Let's begin. Tip number 1, knowing your topic. You ever hear the phrase, know it like the back of your hands? It sounds silly, I know. But here's what it means. Take a second with me and look at the back of your hands. You see those every day, right? So you're pretty familiar with them. Well, that's how you need to know your topic. You need to know it so well that you could give a speech on it without even looking at note cards. Which actually brings us to our next tip. If you are giving a speech or a presentation at school, most likely your teacher is going to let you bring up a note card. This will help you keep on track even when you do have that nervous feeling in your stomach. This is where you want to write your outline so you know exactly what you want to talk about during your speech. Here's an example of a note card that Ned wrote up for a speech that he had to give recently in front of his class at school. See how his ideas are neat and short on this card? This is so that when he was giving the speech, he could take a quick glance at the card and know exactly what he wanted to talk about next. Whether you're playing a sport or playing an instrument, practicing is so important. So, here's what Ned and I suggest doing. Find a nice quiet place, free of distraction, where you can practice your speech a couple of times, and then, once you feel comfortable, ask your friends and family if you can do your speech for them. And the more you do your speech, the more comfortable you're going to feel the day of the speech. So, it's the big day of the speech. Here's a few things you can do to help you reach success. Number 1, the night before, make sure you get plenty of sleep. Okay, I know that's not technically the day of the speech, but it is going to be so important for you to feel rested so that your brain is working. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This is to prevent that dry mouth feeling that so many people get when they're giving a speech. Plus, drinking water is just good for your overall health. Number 3, before you give your speech, take a breath. This will help calm your nerves and help you focus so you can do your best. Alright, imagination time. You finished your speech. Congratulations! That is a huge accomplishment! You should be so proud of yourself. Now is not the time to dwell on those things that you might have messed up. Now is the time to dwell on the things that went awesome. Remember those moments and how you felt in those moments. And you know what? If you did make a mistake, learn from them. This will only help you next time. I hope you all have an amazing day. You all are awesome, and we'll see you in the next video. So, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on a single video. Bye, friends!